Making Pop-Tarts at home is super fun. It's like a baking adventure. Forget store-bought, we're making something special. Get ready for a yummy treat that's way better than anything in a package. Let's get baking! Before we start, gather all our ingredients. Baking is like magic and we need the right things. For the red velvet dough, flour, sugar, salt, butter, very cold egg, red food coloring. For the creamy filling, cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla extract. For the yummy icing, powdered sugar, milk, vanilla extract. The red velvet dough. Mix flour, sugar, and salt in a bowl. Cut in cold butter until it looks like crumbs. Add the egg and red food coloring. Mix well. Form the dough into a ball. Wrap it up and put it in the fridge. The creamy filling. Mix the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until smooth. That's our yummy filling. The yummy icing. Whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Make it nice and smooth. Making the Pop-Tarts. Roll out the dough, cut it into rectangles, put filling on half of the rectangles, top with another rectangle of dough, press the edges to seal. Bake until they're golden brown. Time to decorate. Let the Pop-Tarts cool completely. Spread the icing on top. You can add sprinkles too. Storing your treats. Keep your Pop-Tarts in an airtight container. They stay fresh at room temperature for a few days. Yay, you did it! Enjoy your delicious homemade red velvet Pop-Tarts.